Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am installing the Caferacer headlamp cover onto this Suzuki SV650. I found this workshop that is specializing in customizing bikes, and I decided to check with them if they can help me with the installation. It seems like it is going to be a plug and play process, but it turns out that some brackets needed to be added and customized. After seeing the installation process, I feel satisfied with it, and now let's see if the cover vibrates at high speed. Overall, I think it looks good. I don't know if there's any difference in terms of aerodynamic or the wind flow. It might have some difference or maybe none, but I didn't set out to do this to increase the performance other than the good looks. So that's all folks, I'll see you in the next video and thank you for watching. Goodbye.